Now on to step 8 of the loan process. So as you remember in the process right before, I had mentioned that it's important that you keep moving forward at lightning speed. And I discussed some disclosures that we were going to need your signature on. So what this process does is you're going to get what's called your initial loan disclosures. Now your initial loan disclosures are something that we generate for you that's going to have your initial loan estimate. These are very important to you and they're very important to us. However, once we get into contract, we cannot move forward with these initial loan disclosures until we get third-party fees and estimates. So immediately upon acceptance, we will request these third-party fees and estimates from the escrow and the title companies. Sometimes the escrow and title companies will not provide those until you have sent your initial escrow deposit. So it's very important that you make it a priority to get your initial escrow deposit that you committed to sent over to the escrow company. The moment we receive those fees is when we can generate our initial loan disclosures. Now, in some cases, if the escrow company is not able to get those fees to us quick enough, we will go ahead and we will get estimated fees from another company just through an automated system that will generate for us based on your sales price and the area that you're purchasing in. However, they will be pretty close to accurate. It's really important for us that we get your initial loan estimate as accurate as possible. However, these numbers cannot increase substantially, so it's very important that we do get these very accurate. When these initial loan disclosures are generated, they are just that. They are initial loan disclosures. These are in no way, shape, or form your final. When you get these initial loan disclosures, if there are some discrepancies on there, maybe there is an extra 1 in your address, maybe your start date at your employer was a little bit off, make note of any of these discrepancies and let my team know so that we can adjust these within our system. However, you will still need to sign your initial loan disclosures as they are, and your final loan disclosures will be updated. So it's very, very important that you get these initial loan disclosures signed and back to us immediately so we can get your file moving along through the process. Your file is stuck in a specific section until those initial loan disclosures are signed.